I have a mane and I'm known for my speed. What am I? A horse. I have a bushy tail, and I'm known for storing nuts. What am I? A squirrel. I am black and white, and I love to slide on ice. What am I? A penguin. I have long ears, and love to eat carrots. What am I? A rabbit. I have a long sticky tongue, and I catch insects with it. What am I? A frog. I have a mane, and I'm known for my roar. What am I? A lion. I have big ears, and a long trunk. What am I? An elephant. I have black and white stripes, and I live in Africa. What am I? A zebra. I'm small, red, and have bushy fur. What am I? A fox. I'm black and white, and loved all over. What am I? A panda.